Today we're exploring the journey of the real-life Von Trapp family, whose escape from Nazi-occupied Austria inspired the legendary musical, The Sound of Music. While the film immortalized their story, the family's true path led them to the mountains of Vermont, where they established a legacy that continues to thrive long after the original Trapp Family Singers stopped touring in 1957. So, where are the Von Trapps now? Let's find out. The real Von Trapp family, led by Captain Georg von Trapp and Maria, consisted of 10 children rather than the 7 depicted on screen. After arriving in the United States in the late 1930s, they spent years touring as a professional choir to support themselves. In 1942, they purchased a 2,600-acre farm in Stowe, Vermont, because the landscape reminded them of their beloved home in Salzburg. This property eventually became the Trapp Family Lodge, a world-renowned alpine resort that remains the heart of the family's presence today. As of December 2025, the original generation of the Von Trapp children has almost entirely passed away. All 7 children from the captain's first marriage had died by 2014, including Maria Franziska, who was the last surviving sibling from that group. Of the 3 children born to Georg and Maria, the elder sisters Rosemarie and Eleanor passed away in 2022 and 2021, respectively. This leaves Johannes von Trapp, the youngest of the 10 siblings, as the last surviving member of the original family. Where are the Von Trapps now? As of now, Johannes von Trapp, now 86 years old, still resides part-time at the Von Trapp Family Lodge and Resort in Stowe, Vermont. While he continues to split his time between Vermont and his cattle ranch in New Mexico, the day-to-day operations of the resort are now led by his children, Sam von Trapp and Christina von Trapp Frame, who serve as the resort's directors. The property recently celebrated its 75th anniversary and underwent a rebranding in 2025 to officially become the Von Trapp Family Lodge and Resort. Beyond the lodge, the family's musical tradition has been carried forward by a new generation. The Von Trapps, a musical group consisting of Werner von Trapp's grandchildren Sophia, Melanie, Amanda, and August, toured internationally for 15 years before performing their final show in 2016. However, they remain active in the arts and occasionally resurface for special performances, such as a viral rendition of Edelweiss in late 2024. The Von Trapp family has transformed from a group of refugees fleeing war into the owners of a thriving American landmark. While the original Trapp Family Singers have left the stage, their descendants continue to manage the family's sprawling estate and preserve a story that has captivated the world for over 60 years. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on the real-life inspirations behind iconic films and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.